Do you have friends or family that struggle with ADHD?
Seeing a loved one struggle with ADHD can be challenging, but with the right guidance and support, you can make an enormous and positive difference. First, it's important to educate yourself about ADHD. Create a supportive environment by establishing routines and clear expectations. Connect with other people who care for someone with ADHD and share experiences. Listen actively and offer empathy. Encourage self-care and stress-reducing activities for both you and your loved one. Remember, seeking professional help is always an option. There are resources available to support you on this journey, including organizations like NAMI, CHADD or CHAD, and ADDA, offering support, information, and advocacy. The AACAP provides guidance on diagnosis and treatment, while ACO offers personalized support. Books like Driven to Distraction and Taking Charge of Adult ADHD provide insights, and online forums offer community and shared experience. If you or a loved one is struggling with ADHD, visit clarityxdna.com and learn how we can help you.